Litigation is what happens whenever spouses don't agree to use one of the alternative methods of divorce, like mediation or collaborative law. So it may not be much of a surprise that most divorces are litigated. But what may be a surprise is that most litigated divorces do result in a final settlement outside of court. Next, there are two types of litigation: high conflict litigation and low conflict litigation. In both, our lawyers negotiate to reach settlements outside of court. But when the two parties can't agree, the court's there to help us resolve issues. If you think you're likely to have a high conflict litigation, it's really important that the lawyers on your legal team have experience taking litigations all the way through the divorce trial. Most litigations are lower conflict, where we only go to court on one distinct issue. For example, say you reached agreements on everything, but you couldn't decide what was going to happen with the house. Then we could have a hearing on that and get the court to decide. The last thing that I want you to know is that we actually practice in all of the approaches to divorce for you. That's why we can mediate. That's why we're trained collaborative attorneys. And that's why we're experienced high and low conflict litigators. It's because we want to make sure that we can design the right divorce for you that's rooted in your goals for you and your family. Here's what I know. You want an attorney who can help you no matter what. And if you're watching this video, it is understandable that you would still feel overwhelmed and that you would still have a lot of questions and not know which way to divorce is right for you. Give us a call. We want to help you. We want to answer those questions.